Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Frauds in cryptocurrency raising questions on the blockchain technology. With an increasing number of investors in crypto markets, there has been a significant rise in crypto scams and thefts. Crypto scams have led to a loss of over $7.7 billion. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained significant fame among investors. Crypto and central bank digital currencies as a sector are prime targets for hackers, and there has been a quantum jump in cryptocurrency frauds. The Federal Trade Commission, that is FTC, received nearly 6,800 complaints of cryptocurrency investment scams from October 2020 through March 2021, up from 570 in the same period a year before. Cryptocurrency exchanges are vulnerable to cyberattacks, which could lead to an irreparable loss of your investments. Cryptocurrency can be vulnerable to scams. In many countries, even banks have started buying cryptos, says a report. It mentions that banks in the US are creating their own blockchain-based systems, including digital currencies, to enable B2B cryptocurrency payments between their customers. Cryptocurrency hacks are a threat to both the blockchain sector and the rest of the economy. For now, those hacks are mainly affecting crypto traders. However, with a growing number of companies such as Visa and Mastercard integrating cryptocurrencies in their platform, there is a risk that these hacks will start to affect the rest of the economy. A report from Crystal Blockchain Report published in December 2021 shows there were 115 security attacks, 40 attacks on DeFi, that is DEFI protocols, and 26 fraudulent schemes till December 17th of 2021, which resulted in the theft of approximately $10 billion worth of crypto assets in the year. While on one hand, there has been a huge loss of wealth through crypto assets, the latest research report by International Monetary Fund finds that crypto imposes a threat to the global financial stability. The growing popularity of the crypto sector has made it a prime target for hackers that are aware of the limited fraud prevention measures on those platforms. Indexed finance wasn't alone. One of the major factors that led to the rise of the crypto scam is the emergence of rug pulls. Rug pull is a new type of scam where developers of a cryptocurrency project, typically a new token, abandon it unexpectedly, taking users' funds with them, as per the report from Chain Analysis. Crypto hackers managed to steal more than $2 billion from cryptocurrency exchanges and DeFi platforms in 2021 and just over $1.5 billion in the first half of 2022 alone. Crypto frauds and security breaches are common. So far, $2.86 billion has been stolen through security breaches, while $6.8 billion has been stolen through scams and frauds. So, crypto scams or frauds account for more than 65% of the total amount stolen. Both cryptocurrencies and central bank digital currencies, that is CBDC, are built on blockchain technology. Countries that are actively working on introducing their own CBDCs should make sure that they put their fraud prevention solutions in place. CBDCs could eventually replace fiat currency. However, manipulations and hacks will happen unless infrastructure flaws are ironed out. Blockchain technology can be applied to various sectors from finance to big pharma. In order to see a large adoption of this technology, security issues and design flaws need to be resolved. Let's look into today's headlines in VAR India. Government withdraws advisory against using Aadhaar Card photocopies. The Press Information Bureau has withdrawn the advisory directing Indians not to give photocopies of their Aadhaar cards to various organizations. It has recommended using a masked Aadhaar instead, which allows organizations to view the last 4 digits of an individual's Aadhaar card. The Bengaluru Regional Office of the UIDAI has issued a press release which advised people against downloading copies of their Aadhaar cards on public devices such as computers at internet cafes, kiosks, and told them to make sure they delete the copies if they do so anyway. Israeli private detective employed Indian hackers for Russian despot. An Israeli private investigator currently in US custody used Indian hackers to conduct surveillance operations for ultra-wealthy Russians. It is said that the jailed private detective worked on surveillance and cyber intelligence operations at the behest of Russian oligarchs. It is also reported that the detective was accused of hiring the Indian hacking firm Beltrox on behalf of powerful clients. WhatsApp releases fix for WhatsApp desktop. WhatsApp has released a fix for an issue related to push notifications on WhatsApp desktop. Many users had complained of not receiving push notifications from the desktop client. They have been complaining about a problem with push notifications when using the stable version of WhatsApp desktop. The instant messaging app has fixed that bug with an update. If users still face an issue with push notifications with the latest update, they could consider switching to the beta version. Ninjacart's revenue surpasses Rs 750 crores mark in FY21. Ninjacart has probably become the biggest company with its operating revenue slated to cross 1,000 crores in the fiscal year ending March 2022 in terms of sale. Ninjacart has generated 85.5% of its revenue from the sale of fruits and vegetables to retailers and restaurant operators, and the supply of grains and other food staples accounted for around 13%. Ninjacart's revenue from operations is projected to be around Rs 1,023.8 crores. The company has managed to turn around its gross profit ratio from a negative 5.73% in FY20 to 8.56% during FY21, along with growth in sales. ITC acquires 10% stake in Blupin Technologies. Diversified entity ITC has acquired a 10.07% stake in Blupin Technologies Private Limited for up to Rs 39.34 crores. The investment will provide ITC an early mover advantage in the evolving content to community to commerce space and will provide an expanded presence in the D2C space. Blupin Technologies is a web and app-based content to community to commerce platform and offers mother and baby care products and services under the brand name Milo. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India News Magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for the latest news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.